Hello and welcome to this Hoover's video tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to activate and manage news alerts and triggers for companies and industries so you can stay up to date on the information that matters to you. The first thing you'll want to do is search for a company or industry. We'll choose Chevron Corporation for this example. Under My Tools, click Receive Alerts. The button changes to Cancel Alerts when the alert is set. Later, if you want to cancel this alert, simply click Cancel Alerts. The process is very similar for industries. Just click the Industries tab, then type the beginning of the name, Motion, for example. Choose the one you want, Motion Picture Production and Distribution, and click Receive Alerts. Now let's review how to manage alerts and customize your content. From any page, click My Hoovers. Then click Manage Alerts, which brings up the Manage My Alerts tab. Here, you'll see the companies and industries for which you receive alerts. To unsubscribe from any of them, click Subscribed, then Save Changes. To manage the 20 keyword triggers for alerts, click Manage My Company Triggers. Here, you'll see business-focused keywords to help you refine your alerts. None are active, so be sure to activate at least one to receive alerts. Click again to deactivate. Remember to save. Once you set up alerts, you'll receive customized emails based on your preferences. You can also view this information on the My Recent Alerts tab. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more, visit the Hoover's Tube channel on YouTube.